Hello everybody and welcome to CNATT channel. In this video we will show you how to change shutdown sound in Windows 11 without using third-party software. In Windows 7 and earlier, log-on sound, log-off sound and shutdown sound were available. Why Windows 11 doesn't play the shutdown sound? In newer versions of Windows, Microsoft focused on making Windows boot and shutdown faster and completely removed the sounds which play at logon, log-off and shutdown. If you try to restore these events using the registry, they will not play. Shutdown sound is played when restarting or shutting down Windows. In this tutorial, we do not use third-party software. The sound file used in this tutorial must be in .wav format. You can use free online converters to convert MP3 to WAV. Note that in this tutorial we will enable the file name extension for better understanding. Step 1. Create a PowerShell script file to play the shutdown sound. Rename the WAV file you already prepared to shutdown sound and copy it to the C, Windows, Media directory. Open the Start menu. Type PowerShell ISE and run it as administrator. In the File menu, select New and paste this line into it. This line is in the description. Select Run in the File menu to ensure that this script plays your sound file.
CNATT shutdown sound.
If the sound does not play, check the steps again. Save this file in the C, Windows, Media directory with a PS1 extension. For example, shutdownsound.ps1. Up to this point, you should have two files, named shutdownsound.ps1 and shutdownsound.wav in the C, Windows, Media directory. We recommend that you do not use spaces in the file names. Note that the WAV file name must be the same as the name you entered in the PS1 file. Step 2. Set the shutdown sound in Windows using the GPEdit. Open the Start menu. Type GPEdit and select Edit Group Policy in the search result. In the left pane, go to Computer Configuration, Windows Settings, Scripts. Select Shutdown and then select Properties. Select PowerShell Scripts tab. Select the Add button. In the Add a Script dialog, select the Browse button. Select shutdownsound.ps1 in the C, Windows, Media directory and select Open. Now select OK. From the drop-down list, select Run Windows PowerShell scripts first. Select Apply and select OK. Once done, close Local Group Policy Editor and reboot or shut down your PC. Shutdown sound will be playing.
CNATT shutdown sound.
Change the shutdown sound. To change the shutdown sound that you created according to the previous steps, rename your favorite WAV file to shutdownsound.wav and replace it in the C, Windows, Media directory. Disable the shutdown sound. To disable the shutdown sound that you created according to the previous steps, open the Start menu. Type GPEdit and select Edit Group Policy in the search result. In the left pane, go to Computer Configuration, Windows Settings, Scripts. Select Shutdown and then select Properties. Select PowerShell Scripts tab. To disable the shutdown sound, select it and then select the Remove button. Select Apply and select OK. Thanks for watching the video. You can see more tutorials on our channel.